Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to Start Funnels. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to promote affiliate products effectively so that way you can make the most out of your efforts. All right, I'd like to give a little shout out to Chet James. He was the last person to comment on my YouTube channel. Just want to give him a little shout out and give him a little push. Keep pushing forward. So this channel is all about affiliate marketing and making money online. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified. And guys, let's get to the meat. All right, so the purpose of this video is to really help you promote your affiliate products effectively. So before I go into that, I want to explain kind of three different types of affiliate products that you can promote. Product example number one would be going on to ClickBank. It's the biggest network out there for affiliates. You can find all sorts of offers, and it's a great way if you're a beginner to just kind of get your feet wet. So you sign up for ClickBank and you can choose all different types of products, and these are usually kind of more low ticket products. So you might be making $10, $20, $50 one-time things. It's okay, but it is kind of low ticket stuff. The next option is to be an affiliate for a software company. I use ClickFunnels as an example because ClickFunnels has an awesome affiliate program where you get 40% commission and it's recurring. So every month you're getting a paycheck. Okay, the third type of product is promoting some sort of system. Now I use the example of the HTAA, which is High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. This is a brand new product that I am a part of that I absolutely think it's a great opportunity and it has so much value. It costs anywhere from $500 to $5,000. You're probably wondering, okay, well, why is it so expensive? Well, seriously, it's jam-packed with all sorts of stuff and has great mentors. And so that's my little plug with it. But of course, there's other systems you can promote. But why promote this? Because it is high ticket. If you're an affiliate, you can get up to like 50 to 100% commissions. So you can make on HTAA anywhere from $250 to $2,500 on one sell. All right, you guys, so here is this diagram that I did not create, but Joshua Elder, my mentor, created and did a video about this, but I'm going to reiterate kind of his structure here. So he has a good, better, and best way of how to promote. In fact, he says just the wrong way entirely is the top. But that is for like a really basic beginner, and you still can make money in doing this. Essentially, you drive traffic and send a link. Now let's chat about traffic real fast if you're a complete beginner. So traffic is essentially a platform where you can grab someone's attention and then add some sort of link at the bottom of it. So traffic can be Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, a blog, etc. Okay, so you have to add some sort of photo, video, or blog post, something to capture that person's attention. So the wrong way is get traffic and add your affiliate link. I have made money doing that. That's okay. The next option is a great way, the right way to market, where you have your traffic and then you have some sort of opt-in page. What is an opt-in page? Someone that enters in your name or email, name and email, and then that sends them to a pre-sale page, or other people call it a bridge page. But essentially, it'll kind of give that user some sort of idea of what the next thing they're going to get. So you can give like a testimonial, you can give like people results, you can give them a case study, you can just kind of guide them and give your opinion about the offer. So that is kind of the standard in the industry right now. The next level, I'd say, is next level, meaning that it's a kind of a better way to do it, or the best way, like I've been saying. All right, now for the best way to market, it would be sending traffic, opt-in, pre-sale, and then a pre-qualification, and then send them to the offer. What is this pre-qual? Well, I actually went through pre-qualification with Joshua Elder, believe it or not, and it was on Facebook Messenger, and he just asked me some questions. And in doing so, I gained a lot of trust for him. I felt like it was personal. And then I could ask him any question, and it actually like helped me being the consumer, helped me gain confidence. So this is something that you can instill confidence. You can ask questions or answer questions for customers, and really just help them hold their hand through the process to, once again, sign up for something that they can feel comforted with. So if you're wondering how to do all this stuff, check out the link below. It is a link for the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator, and you will see, kind of goes right into this the right way to market. So if you want to see an example of it, check the link below. And guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And here's some other video suggestions. You guys have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.